Today, I'm going to be opening a box of pennies. Now, this box of pennies does look kind of old. It looks like it's been falling apart, so hopefully it's pretty good. Through the holes in the bottom, I did see a lot of newer coins or some better condition coins. So, I didn't see any wheat penny enders, but let's see how it looks on this side. I do not see any immediate wheat penny enders. I'll go through the rolls and see if we have any interesting enders, and I'll be right back with that. On this end, we did have a lot of newer condition coins. Like we have all these newer reverses. That's a 2020. So this is going to be a very difficult hunt to find wheat pennies and older. Hopefully we find an Indian head. First, before I open any rolls, I found this coin from a coin store a couple days ago. And it's a 1921 Philadelphia. And as you see right there, it's the 1921 that we need for the book. So I'm going to put that in right now, and then I'll be right back. One of the last couple nickel boxes, I got a Buffalo nickel. This box is going to be pretty difficult based on the enders. I took this one out because that's in better condition. That's a little bit damaged. This one's in better condition. That one's a 2020. This one, I know this one's a 70, but it's in really good condition. I don't know what year that was. I took this one out because it's from the 60s. This one's from the 60s. This ender was a little bit better. It's almost in the same condition as some of the others. And this ender was in good condition too. Okay. This roll actually looks better than I thought. Roll number 1, and I just found a wheat penny. We'll look at it last. We got a damaged 1967. Alright, let's see what date this is. First wheat penny is in 1941. This roll looks a little bit worse than the previous one, but there's still a good amount of copper in it. We got 1960 Denver. First 2 rolls, and we got 1 wheat penny so far. Let's see how this roll does. First of all, that ender. It's a 1975. We got 1962 Denver. We got 1965 and a 1969 Denver. And the end of this roll was a 1961 Denver. We got 1964 Denver. And we got our first foreign out of the box. It's a Canadian. Looks like a newer one. No, it's not. It's 1976. This is a 1964 Denver. I don't know if that'll upgrade, but I'll have to check. Alright, we have a couple more rolls with interesting enders. So let's start with this one. Look at what just came out of the back of this roll. This was the second coin in. We're going to look at that one at the end of the roll. I was about to show you this was the ender. It's a 1993 Philadelphia. And this was the ender on the other end, I think. It's a 2002. We got 1961 Philadelphia. We got a 2009 Denver. Okay, if this wheat penny is older than a 57, it will guaranteed be an upgrade. So let's see what it is. It's a 1953 Denver. We'll be upgrading that one for sure. And we got another wheat penny. This box been going pretty well. What about this one? And here's another wheat penny. It's It's a 1955 Denver. Right here we got a 1968 Denver. We got a 1961 Denver. I'm about to open the last roll, but I just remembered I didn't show you what year this wheat penny was. It's 1955. I think it's a Denver. Still need a San Francisco, but it's a Denver. Here's this roll. I'm hoping for another wheat penny. We got a 1965 Philadelphia. We got a really good condition 1960 Philadelphia. Now I'll be back with any additions or upgrades to the book. I'm going to be upgrading the 1953 Denver wheat penny in the book.